Okay, thank you for coming back to my channel. I did a wig review in like a little
You
small...
like my mama wig?
You like my mom wig? Okay, so I've been checking this wig out for a long time. I've been eyeballing it, and it's the Avery. And it's in like it's in DRSM LAV lavender. I guess LAV is lavender. It's a smoky lavender. Okay, and it's like a little short little bob wig, which is very gorgeous for the summertime. If you're going to the beach, if you're going out on a date,
I want to beach all summer.
Or the summer, yeah, it's good for the summer. So this is the final look of the wig. I probably could have cut a little bit more baby hairs in it, but I'm not gonna keep it on very long. So, you see your hairstyle. You fancy, schmancy. All right, so I just did like a simple look with this wig. I don't know why every time when I do a wig review, I gotta do a daggone makeup, but this is something real simple. I'm not going nowhere. I'm about to wipe this crap right on off, but I just want to come to you guys with this wig review and this mini makeup review. Makeup look as well. Okay, and this completes the look, and I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the video that's coming up next. Okay, so here we go, y'all. We're gonna do this wig review. It's gonna be a 2-in-1 with the wig review and then maybe some makeup at the end. So I purchased this wig from samsbeauty.com. I paid $23.99 for it. She's a short bob wig by Outrè synthetic hair lace front wig with 5-inch parting space. It's a Swiss lace. She is very gorgeous. She's a lavender. She's the shade that she's in is DRSM LAV. So right there, I'm just showing you the lace, how much lace, where the combs are positioned on the wig. It's two on the front of the wig. I'm sorry, one in the back, and you have the adjustable scratch right there. Okay, so now you just see me trying it on her like a grandma, like I'm in a nursing home right now. Forgive me, I just threw that joker right on. So I'm just using this big tooth comb to kind of separate the curls right now. For some reason, I didn't feel like it was doing what it looked like on the picture. I thought it was going to be more of like a wave, or maybe I probably combed it too much. I don't know if that's the case. So right now I'm using my powder, which I shouldn't have done. Don't make this mistake, ladies. I use the powder and I use too much damn powder, because you're going to see it faded like really badly through the wig. As you can see there on the top. I was so disappointed. I'm like, oh man. But it's okay. So I'm gonna put the I'm positioning the combs right now. So I usually don't use the combs because sometimes the combs add a lot of tension to your temple. So sometimes I really don't use the combs, but I'm gonna use the combs in this situation. So as you can see, if I can stop coughing, I'm gonna cut some baby hairs. Now let me explain something to you guys. I am not a professional baby hair kind of girl. I will mess up baby hairs in a minute, okay? As you can see, I do it on this wig. I'm really not good with the baby hairs, but we're gonna go ahead and move on. I'm gonna use this Got2b glue. This is a clear one, and I'm kind of gonna create like the baby hairs. You can pluck this wig if you choose to, which is what I should have did. On my next time I wear it, I'm gonna make sure I take a little bit more time than trying to rush it. To try to just put it on so that I can review the wig. I'm going to probably pluck it a little bit in the part to open it up a little bit. As you guys can see, these baby hairs is just not working in my favor, okay? I don't know what the hell I was doing. Sometimes I get it right, sometimes I get it wrong, but we just going with the flow at this point, okay? So as you can still see that little incident I got at the top of the damn part where it turned the whole hair brown with my setting powder. So now I'm using these little like tissue wraps. You can use it actually for a wrap for your hair. I'm just putting it down just so that I can lay the baby hairs down. So now I'm using my little spray, my setting spray, to spray my face so that we can go ahead and start this this old quick old beat that I did real quick. It was no thought behind it. I just went ahead and just, whatever, came up with it. Right now you see me just filling in my eyebrows, get them jumps together. Then we're gonna go ahead and do cleanup. I'm using the Beautiful Bronze by LA Girl concealer to clean up the top and the bottom of my brow. You always want to, when you do your concealer, you always want to get as close as you can to your complexion, just so that it could be even. You won't have that halo look. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend out my concealed areas around my brow, just like I said, so you won't have that halo look over your brow and under your brow. The foundation that I'm using is B70, the CoverGirl Matte 24-hour matte foundation. I'm just going to ahead and just put that all over my skin. Like I said, I just want to just do something real quick, just so I can won't look crazy with this wig on with no makeup. So now I'm going back into Fawn by LA Girl, and this is my concealer. I'm just concealing my highlight areas. Like I said, I wanted this to be like a really quick review / makeup tutorial, something real quick, nothing all that serious or whatever like that. So I'm just adding a little bit of the deep Tarte Shape Tape, just to kind of have that even blend that I'm looking for, kind of like a natural look with this wig. Not too much. Just blending it out right now, as you can see with my beauty blender. So now I'm gonna go back into my Milan Setting Translucent Powder. This is the medium deep. This is the same one that I use to put on my part. As you can see, it's still there, the residue. Just setting those concealed areas. So now I'm going into my contour palette using the darkest shade. I'm gonna do a powder contour. I'm not gonna do a cream contour today. Like I said, I just want to throw something together. I really didn't want to do nothing too dramatic or too harsh, anything like that. As far as contouring, I'm just gonna contour with the powder. Just call it a day and go about my business. So as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and contour my nose out with that powder. It didn't really give me the slim, trimmy nose that I was looking for, but it worked in this case right here. So now I'm just getting some liquid liner. I'm not for sure what the liquid liner is. I think it's like LA Colors. And I'm just kind of creating like a wing. I'm not going to fill it in with the liner. You're going to see what I'm going to fill it in with. I'm going to be using my Sway NYX Lingerie matte lipstick. I wish I wouldn't even did this because it was getting kind of messy a little bit, but I made it work. I'm just filling it in that area where I would put a full wing in. Okay, so the camera, I'll put it